wonderful. I have a visitor. Let's go see who it is. Well, hello there. Come on in. I was just making a pot of dirty rice, and I brought out my Instant Pot. Quick and easy meal. Come on in and I'll show you just how you make it. Just take a little look at that plate of dirty rice. Wouldn't you want to have that on your dinner table? Anytime, any place. Well, hello there. Today I'm bringing out my Instant Pot and I'm going to make dirty rice with ground pork. Now don't get me wrong, I used to live in Louisiana and this is not an authentic dirty rice, but it is very tasty and very simple to make. And if you're tired and you want a bowl of dirty rice, this is for you. So for this Instant Pot dirty rice recipe, you will need 2 cups of long grain rice washed under cold water 2 or 3 times because you want to remove a lot of the starch in the rice so it doesn't burn on your Instant Pot. You'll need 1/2 cup of celery, onion, green pepper, 1 tablespoon of Cajun spice. If you don't have Cajun spice on hand, you can make your own with paprika, oregano, garlic powder, pepper, cayenne, thyme, and onion powder. 2 cups of beef broth. Dirty rice prepared. Wait a minute. As I said, you will need 2 cups of washed in cool water rice. Wash it about 3 times to be on the safe side before you put it inside your Instant Pot. Next, you will want about 1 pound of ground pork. I do like to measure out my ingredients beforehand, all my spices, and put them all together since it's all going to be dumped into the pot after I brown the meat. So I like to add the spices while I'm finishing up the browning of the meat. Gets in there and infuses beautifully. You'll see. Watch the video. There you have it, a very easy meal, quick and easy.
I don't know about you, but I'm telling you, that's what I call good eats. Let's just get a little bit of that dirty rice now, why don't we? Good. You go on and make yourself a pot of dirty rice. Go ahead.